Alrighty, we're going to be solving 3 by 3 systems using inverse matrices, and I'm going to show you how to use a graphing calculator to do that. So, solving 3 by 3 systems using inverse matrices. Here will be our first example. And so, if we have this 3 by 3 system, what we're going to do is we're going to make a coefficient matrix using the coefficients 5, -2, and 7, along with 2, 5, and 3, and then 3, -1, and 4. So we'll make a coefficient matrix, which will be a 3 by 3 coefficient matrix. And then we are also going to make a 3 by 1 matrix here of 12, 10, and 8. So let's look at a graphing calculator here. We're on the main screen. I'm using a TI-84 Plus. If you have like anything TI-80 something, TI-80 anything, should resemble this setup. So right here it says matrix. It's up above the x to the -1 power. So it's up here in blue. So we're going to press second and then matrix. Names, math, and edit. We want to come over to edit. So hit the right twice. And we're going to edit the first one, matrix A. And remember, I told you that we were going to do a coefficient matrix, which was going to be a 3 by 3 of just the coefficients here. So back here, this is a 3 by 3. And now I can start entering in my values. So let's look at the values. The top row is going to be 5, -2, 7. So we're going to say 5, enter, -2, enter, and 7, enter. Now we're down at the second row. Coefficients are 2, 5, and 3. 2, enter, 5, enter, 3, enter. And the last row is going to be 3, -1, +4. 3, enter, -1, enter, and +4, enter. Okay, so we have that matrix set up. That's the coefficient matrix. Now I want to quit, so press second and then quit, which is right here. Takes me back to the main screen. If you don't quit, whatever you go typing into the next part will be entered into the matrix, so make sure you quit here. Now let's go to matrix again, second matrix, and we're going to edit again, but we're going to edit matrix B. Looking at the problem here, I said we wanted to make a 3 by 1 matrix of 12, 10, and 8. So we need to press 3, enter, by 1, a 3 by 1 matrix. Press enter to get down here. We said we wanted 12, 10, and 8. And those will be the three values the equations are equal to. So press enter. Now let's quit again. Now we need to do some calculations here. So in order to find the answer, we're going to go back to matrix, and we're going to stay right here under names. So we're going to choose option 1, which is matrix A. And we will be we need to be using the inverse of matrix A, so press the to the -1 power. So now we have the inverse of matrix A. Well, in order to find the solution to the system of equations we have, we need to take the inverse of matrix A and multiply it by matrix B, right here, option number 2. And so when you do that, we're now going to be solving, so we're going to press enter, and it spits out these 3 values. These 3 values, this will be the x value, 1 is the y value, and -3 is the z value. And if we look here, that's how we type it into our parentheses there, into a coordinate. 7, 1, -3. 7, 1, -3. Alrighty, that's how you solve a 3 by 3 system using a graphing calculator. So now, what I would like you to do is I'd like you to try this one on your own. You can pause the video and then try it on your own, or you can go step by step again with me. I will try to work this one out. Okay, so the first thing we need to do is enter in the coefficient matrix. Where we need to go to, I'm clearing the screen. So let's go to second matrix, go over to edit, and we want to edit this 3 by 3 matrix. So we still need, this is still a 3 by 3 matrix, okay? So we still need a 3 by 3 here. And now the coefficients. 4, 10, negative 1. 4, 10, negative 1. 11, 28, and negative 4. And negative 6, negative 15, positive 2. Negative 6, negative 15, and positive 2. Okay, so we have the 3 by 3 matrix. May be helpful to verify that you've typed everything in correctly. And we have. Okay, so now we need to go back in and edit the 3 by 1. Make sure you go over to edit and down the 3 by 1. And this is where we put what everything is equal to. These three values here. Negative 3, positive 1, negative 1. So we have negative 3, positive 1, negative 1. Second quit. Now we just need to take the inverse of A. So you go to names, choose option 1 for A. Press the inverse to the negative first power here. And then we need to go back into matrix and choose option number 2, matrix B. And what we're doing is multiplying those two matrices. 19, negative 9, negative 11. 19, 19, negative 9, negative 11. Ooh, let me get rid of that 3. 19, negative 9, negative 11 is how your answer should look. The reason why I had to change it is because it was the answer up here. I copied and pasted and I just didn't change my answer. So, if that's what you got for your 3 by 3 system, then you know what you're doing. If you have any questions, I will answer those the next time I see you.